Aloha, Joy. Joy the dog. We are looking at a bunch of beautiful ripe grapes just now. I came out here and saw how beautiful this is. And one of the funny things I decided to do was let the grapes grow up on this tree. And I'll back out from this tree. It is an apricot tree. It's a male apricot. It's like a protector apricot tree. So let's see, down there is the original mother apricot. And there's the one that she birthed. And this one is a male and it's very strong. I feel like it's sheltering and protecting the mother. And it's such a strong tree that I decided to let these grapes grow upon it. And look at these gorgeous grapes. Oh my goodness. So this is so much fun. Like nature, if you focus on it and you want it to happen, you can make it happen. However, if you do not want it to happen, you don't have to. Okay, look at this. Raisins. These are like raisins, kind of. Super good. And this particular kind of grape has no seeds. It's kind of small. It grew wild here. And my son and I took clippings from the original grape, which was growing across the yard a little ways. And we planted them in here. And these are the grapes that they grow. And they're very nice. They have no seeds, but they're delicious. So for me, I've definitely learned from moving on to an old garden that had been growing for hundreds of years. Honestly, this was a tree area. And then someone built a house down in here, tucked among the trees, which was fabulous. And then luckily enough, I came along and got to move into this beautiful house with the trees. Look at this pecan tree. So gorgeous. Let's go look at a little closer. And I would not be the least bit surprised if the birds planted these trees, because the birds are the best gardeners. It's so funny. Okay, let's go see here some. Right here. These are little pecans growing. They're so pretty. I like their stripiness. And so here are the leaves. Let's stand back. Yeah, so these old trees are so great. It's almost sunset. And we send you aloha.